This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Bentley Continental GT and Flying Spur. The Continental GT is a luxurious two-door grand tourer, perfect for spirited drives. In contrast, the Flying Spur is a sophisticated four-door sedan, designed for ultimate passenger comfort and executive travel. Both vehicles embody Bentley's commitment to exquisite craftsmanship and powerful performance, but cater to distinct driving experiences and owner needs. Let's dive into their unique characteristics. When it comes to performance, the Continental GT is engineered for a more engaging driving experience, feeling lighter and more agile. The Flying Spur, while still incredibly powerful, focuses on a smooth, refined ride for its occupants. Both models offer impressive engine choices, including a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 and a 6.0-liter W12, with some models now featuring plug-in hybrid systems for enhanced efficiency and power. Inside, both Bentleys are a masterclass in luxury, but their layouts differ. The Flying Spur, being a sedan, provides generous rear legroom and can be configured with individual rear seats for a limousine-like experience. The Continental GT, as a coupe, offers a more driver-centric cabin, though it still accommodates 4 passengers for shorter journeys. Both boast unparalleled craftsmanship, with a vast array of leather, wood, and metal finishes, alongside cutting-edge technology like the Bentley rotating display. When considering value, the Flying Spur generally starts at a higher price point, reflecting its larger size and enhanced rear passenger luxury. The Continental GT, while also a significant investment, appeals to those prioritizing a more dynamic, personal driving experience. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you seek a grand touring coupe or a supremely comfortable luxury sedan. For those looking to make meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.